how to create a free website like this. For this, you don't need to purchase any domain or hosting. Also, you don't need any coding knowledge. Even a school kid can create a website like this. For this, first go to google.com and search Pro Free Host. Click this website. Click register now. Enter your email address. Use any password. Here I am using suggested password. Click this button. First you have to activate your account. Go to your email address. Open the mail from Pro Free Host. Click activate account. Now your account is activated successfully. Now you have to create an account first. Click this button. Here you need to type your website name and click this button. Click manage. Wait for a few minutes and click reload. Now click the control panel. Click send anyway. Click I approve. Scroll down and click this Softoclus apps installer. Click install. First type the admin username and scroll down. Click this install button. Wait for a few minutes to complete. Now your website is created successfully. You can visit your site by using this link. Initially your site looked like this only because this is completely a new website. Now we need to add some posts in your site so that your website will look like this. First we need to go to the WordPress dashboard. For that you need to enter WP admin at the end of your site address. Just click enter. It will ask your username and password which you have created few minutes before. Enter the password. Click login. Now we got the WordPress dashboard. First you need to add some posts in your site. After that your website will look like this. First go to post. Click this one. Click add new. Here you need to type any heading for your article. And write your article here like this. I have just copied the article from this site only for tutorial purpose, but you need to type your own content here like this. After creating your content, click publish. Once again click publish. Click view post. Now we got one post in our site, but it doesn't look like this. For that we need to change our theme first. Go to your WordPress dashboard by clicking this icon. Click appearance, themes. Click add new. Here you can find many free WordPress themes. Choose your favorite themes here. Click install. Click Activate. This theme recommends you to install some plugins. For that, click this Begin Installing Plugins. Click this button to select all. Click this bulk action. Click Install. Click Apply. Wait for a few minutes to install. Now all the plugins are installed successfully. Click this Return to Required Plugin Installer. Once again select all. Click Bulk Actions. Select Activate. Click Apply to activate all. Now all the plugins are installed successfully. Now visit your site. Your site almost completed. But still we need to post more content. For that I am going to WordPress dashboard again. Click Appearance. Click Themes. Click this Get Starter Sites. Scroll down. Here you can see many pre-built templates. I am going to install the first one. Click Import. Currently in our site we posted only one content. By clicking the import button, this theme automatically creates multiple posts for you. Now everything has completed successfully. You can check your site now. Before importing the content, our site looked like this only. Let's check after importing the content from the theme. See, our site is completely ready now. By this way, you can simply create your WordPress site for free of cost. Still, there are many customization options available in the WordPress. We can see that in detail in the upcoming videos.